Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lokopilot Rudanshwar speaking. Today I'll be piloting 12269 up Chennai to Hazrat Nizamuddin Duronto Express, and it will be starting from 9 to 9 hours, and it will be having first stop at Vaniyambadi at 10:38 hours, and departure is 10:44 hours. Arrival at Bangalore Junction is 11:27 hours, and departure is 11:36 hours. Then we'll be skipping Anantapur, Solapur, Pune, and stopping at Mumbai from 13:45 hours, and we'll be stopping till 52 hours because loco reversal is going to take place. It is both a commercial and technical stop. Then we will be moving by skipping Valsad, Surat, Bharuch, Vadodara, Godhara, Dahod, and stopping at Ratlam from 18 hours to 18:09 hours. Then skipping Kota, Sawai, and stopping again at Junction, Mathura, 28 hours, and departure is 21:04 hours. Again skipping Palwal, and then reaching our final destination, Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, at 21 hours 30 minutes. Okay, we will be using apps Generation 7 and Duronto. Okay. Okay, we have started our engine, and right door we have to depart from Chennai Central within 11 minutes. ওকে, জানি না। Okay, I have closed the door and throttle. We have encountered starter signal as yellow, and I think we have not got. Wow, what a traffic! Beside me, two Humsafar expresses are standing, and I have been given the priority. Oh no, it is moving. Okay, I have to drive slowly, so if I encounter any danger signal, then I have to be ready. Chennai Arakonam junction section is an elephant crossing section, and most of the times we encounter angry elephants crossing this area. So most of the times station masters of Arakonam or Chennai does not give any signal to avoid any mishap. One Humsafar down, one goods down. Arakonam skipped. Maximum permissible speed is 130 kmph and we are going at 96 kmph. Though this train most of the times reaches a cruising speed of 96 kmph, it has the permissible speed as 130 km per hour. And in real life, it departs from Chennai Central at 6:50 hours, and it covers a journey of 300 to 350 kilometers in 28 hours average. And reaches next day Hazrat Nizamuddin. It is a bi-weekly express, and as 12269 it starts its journey from Chennai Central to Hazrat Nizamuddin. On Monday and Friday, and it does a return journey from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Chennai Central Tuesday and Saturday. We have approached Bhaniyambadi. Ja, Papa, it is too early. Wow. Oh shit. Okay. যা এ কি রে ভাই, টাইমে দিল না, কি রে? আচ্ছা Okay, we are sitting in AC with third chair. Okay, we are crossing elephant section now. Approaching Mumbai Central. Oh, sorry, not Mumbai, it is Bangalore. Sorry. Throttle close. And late. Okay, rotation is going to take place, and then we will be proceeding towards Mumbai. I suppose it is Mumbai. Okay, we are going to reach Mumbai in 2 hours 6 minutes. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Danger signal ahead. Navajivan Express. Wow. I think it is IC Blue categorized normal superfast express, and I am Duronto Express loco pilot. What? Is this a joke or what with me? Okay, though I am early, too early. Let's see. Okay, signal green. Where is the train? Okay, for that train I am waiting too long. Is this a joke or what? Okay, I'll skip this station within 96. Solapur station via platform 1. Mode throttle open. Curve ahead, honking required. Tunnel ahead, honking required. Lights required. Is this Mumbai? Okay, this is also a Duronto like me. But why it is waiting? And moreover, why its doors are closed on open on the other side? What is it doing? Let me check. Vrindavan Express. Eh? My doors are also open. What? Okay. That is ICA Blue and I am Duronto. What these station masters are doing? I have the higher priority than it. What the hell? This is not good. Signal exchanged. Deadman warned. Now switching to driving mode. Okay, this video is becoming too long, so I will divide it into two. Signal exchanged with Humsafar Express. Mumbai Central. Reach estimated time of arrival within 10 minutes. Okay, meet you in the same video.